Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TME. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a disappointing day here. What would be referred to in trading terminology as a gap and trap, meaning the price closed right there on Wednesday, opened up right there, hence the gap up, and then after the opening bell rang, basically the price just turned right back around and down it went. Now, it's not like the price totally crashed, but a couple of dynamics here that have now made themselves very apparent is that, yeah, their sellers are starting to show back up again, and that's, or very easily seen by just using a trend line. You can see that since a couple of days ago, these highs now have all of a sudden started to get lower and lower, which does not mean that for sure guaranteed the price is going to also head lower, but it does imply that, okay, yeah, there's definitely sellers that have shown back up, and there's definitely kind of this quote-unquote presence of sellers, from more of a general framework. And now the level that I think a lot of people are going to be watching from the support side of things, as it is once again come into play here, is right down here around $19.70. When you go back through the history of things, you can see that behaved as an area of support. And then once again, to give credit's due, it was good to see that at least that level still had enough strength to behave as support. But that now becomes an area that a lot of people will be watching. And I emphasize that because when a lot of people are watching a certain area and wondering the same types of things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can certainly produce a whole lot of dynamic movement. So nothing's guaranteed. I'm just saying it's a more than valid thought to have that if the price does come down to that area and breaks down through it, that could very well create quite a bit of downward selling pressure, with the next level of support then being not until down there around the $19 mark. So keep a close eye on those couple levels from the support side of things. And then again, as far as resistances are concerned, watch that trend line right there, and we'll see how this one continues to play out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.